Exercise 9.4, sixth one we are going to see. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meters and the length is 7 meters. Find the quantity of the milk in the liters that can be stored in the. So here what is given? They have given the radius. So write down given r equal to that is 1.5 meters it has been given, and then length is equal to 7 meters. Okay, so here what we have to find out, in the sense we have to find the volume of the cylinder. So some sort of a cylindrical vessel it is there. In that how much capacity of the milk can be stored, we have to find out. So storing of the milk means we have to find the volume of the cylinder. So let us write down volume of cylinder is equal to, what is the formula? That is pi r square h. Okay, so here we know the very well pi value is 22/7. Then r what we got, that is 1.5. So I am going to write 1.5 two times because this is r square. So into 1.5 into length is given, that is nothing but height. In the case of a cylinder, the length is nothing but the height. Okay, so h is nothing but 7. Can we cancel anything here? Yes, we can. So 7 ones are 7. So here left out is 22 into 15 into 15, we will be getting 225, right? So after how many numbers the point it is there? Here after point 1 number is there, after point 1 number is there. So altogether 1, 2. So after the 2 points, that is 1, 2, after this point we have to keep the point over here. Okay, so if you multiply 22 into 2.25, let us do the multiplication. 22 into 225. 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carrier, 5 2s are 10, again 0 means 11, and then again 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4. Next 2 2s are 4 and then 2 2s are 4. So 0, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1, 4 is 9. So we got answer as a 4950 it is there. So after two numbers there is a point. Okay, so before two numbers we have a point. So we have to leave two numbers and keep the point over here. Okay, this is the volume, right? So volume in the meter. So meter cube. So in the question, find the quantity of the milk in liters they asked. Okay, here it is in the meters cube. We have to find out this one in a liters. Okay, 1 meter cube is nothing but, which is equal to 1000 liters. Okay, this 1 meter cube is nothing but 1000 liters. Now required quantity is equal to, so what we got, that is 49.50 into, we have to convert this one into liter, right? So liters means 1000. Okay, this one you write in the working column. Now if you multiply this one, it will become 495000. So 3 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros we have written. Okay, so after how many numbers we have a point over here? We have point after the two numbers. So here the point will be there. After the point, if 0 it is there, we can remove that one. So we got as answer as a 49500 liters. Okay, this is the quantity of the milk can be stored inside the therefore 49500, that is 49,500 liters can be stored in the tank, that is tank. Okay, do exercise number 9.4, last problem, that is the 8th problem. This is the last problem of this chapter. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 100 108 meter cube. Find the number of hour it will take to fill the reservoir. Okay, so example, we can take our own tanks will be there, right? So here it has been given 60 liters can be filled in a 1 hours. Okay, so how much liters can be filled inside the tank if the tank capacity is 108 meter square it is there. So for this, how much time is required to full complete a tank, they are asking it. Okay, so let us write down given. Given here, what is given in the sense volume of reservoir tank. Okay, volume of reservoir tank is given now, which is equal to, it is given in the 108 meter cube, right? So we have to convert this one into the liters, then we have to multiply this one with the 1000, right? Like a previous problem we saw, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Same manner we have to multiply this one. So if we multiply this one, we will be getting 108,000 liters, right? So this is the volume of the reservoir. So now water is pouring at the rate of, rate of 60 liters per minute. Sorry, have said it is hour. It is 60 liter per minute it is pouring. 1 minute it is pouring 60 liters. Okay, if you need to convert the minutes into hours, means what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply by 60. Okay, already 60 liters is there. So into 60 liters into 60 minutes will be giving you as a 36. 6 are 36, and the remaining left out 0 is 00. So 3600 liters per hour. So we have converted minutes to hours. Okay, so 3600 liters per hours we got a answer over here. So now required number of hours. So we will be dividing, right? Same manner. Now this one, that is 1,80,000 liters divided by 3,600 liters per hour, we have to divide it. Here 0 and 0 gets cancelled. That is liter per hour it is, right? Per hour. So now 108. Okay, sorry, 1080. 36 into 3s we are getting 108. So it will become 0, and if you bring this 0 again 0. So we got 30 over here. That is, if we cancel this one, it will become 30. So 30 liter and liter gets cancelled. Left out is hours. So 30 hours is required to fill 108,000 liters capacity of that particular tank. Okay, here completes the chapter as well as this problem.